To install React, we first need to install Node.js on our system. For that, we have come on the official website of Node.js, nodejs.org. As you can see, there are two options given for the Node.js download, out of which we will choose the long-term support option. Click on LTS option and it will get downloaded. Once it is downloaded, please open the MSI file. Now, our Node.js installation started. Click on Next. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Next. Here, destination folder path is given. You can change according to your requirement, but it is preferred to keep it to default settings. Click on Next. Now, this option will show. If you want to download any additional necessaries such as Chocolatey, you can check it, but it is preferred to keep it unchecked. Click on Next. Click on Install. Now, our installation of Node.js is started. It will take some time. As you can see, our Node.js installation is successful. Click on Finish. To check if our installation is successful or not, we will check for its version. Open the command prompt and type node space v. As you can see, we have downloaded the LTS version of Node. Also, npm comes with the Node. In order to check that if npm is installed successfully or not, we will do the same. Type npm space v. Here you can see npm is also installed successfully. Now to install React, we will require an IDE. You can use any IDE, but for this demo, we have used VS Code. Now, on the upper side, go on the terminal option. Click New Terminal. As you can see, new terminal is created. Here, we will first make our new folder in which we will install React. Using the make directory command, we will create a new folder. As you can see, our new folder is created. Now, we will move into that folder using the command cd folder name. As you can see, our path has changed. To install React, we will install the package create React app. For this, we will use the command npm install -g create React app. Here, -g stands for globally. Now, we have successfully installed our package. To check if the installation is successful or not, we will check for its version. As it displays version 5.0.1, our installation for the package Create React App was successful. Now, we will create our first React app. For that, we will type command create React app and the app name. Here, the name we have used is app name. It will take some time to create that app. As you can see, we have successfully installed create package and created our app MyReact. Now we will move to that folder using the command cd myreact. As you can see, our path has changed and now we are into the folder myreact. Here we will type the command npm start. Now our React script is started. And as you can see, in your default browser, it will pop up. Here we have successfully installed React.js on our system.